Quick package opening. This is a long leash. Why would you want a long leash? Well, my dog's pretty well trained and likes to keep to a short leash. He keeps it loose and by my side, but sometimes I want to release him and let him go, but I don't want him completely off leash. And especially in our neighborhood, he sees other dogs or deer, he'll take off. So this gives me the option to say release, which is the command I give him that basically says you're free to go, but also keeps him close to me. When I say heel, sorry about that. So when I say heel, he's supposed to walk next to me close. When I say release, he's able to free to go. So I'm going to give this a try. It might be a waste, but look cool. It's like 30 feet. The tarp of our kennel's going bad, so I had to put a tarp on there. The cover by retriever is just terrible. Caught holes quickly. But this is a leash I usually use for Toby. And he'll stay loose on it after a couple little vibration tugs. I just kind of give him a little vibration tug, but this will be nice. We'll see how he likes it. Okay, here we are. So look at this. One of the main reasons people buy these leashes, Toby, heel. Toby, heel. Toby, heel. Good boy. And you see he comes right to my side when I say heel, and he sits. Such a good boy. Good boy. But some of the reason people use these leashes is if they're training a dog to, you know, jump into the water. They still want to have some control. I don't know. Lots of different reasons. Maybe training the duck hunt. But I can see this is out of control long. And it might be good for what I want to do. But at least we have the option if we ever want to. So I'm going to tell him to heel like I always do. Okay, heel. Let's go. Toby, heel. Come back. Heel. Heel. It's too long. Come here. Heel. Heel. Good boy. That's good. Hey. Okay, release. 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 Release means he can go. You see that? How much line I have? It's really interesting. I don't know how I feel about this, but I wanted to buy it to have the option. We were out the other day and I don't remember what it was, but I wanted him to be able to run off. He's already tangling it. Oh, I remember. We were working in the yard and we didn't want him taking off with the chickens out there in the coop. And so I wanted to have a long leash so he could kind of run around and get some energy out, but I also wanted the ability to pull him back. So stay to Lucy kennel. Lucy kennel. Hey, good girl. That's a good girl. I'm gonna get you a leash. Stay. It's almost impossible with one hand right now. Okay. Lucy's got puppies right now. 6 puppies. She's ready to go on a walk. Anyway, look at this beast. Toby, release. Release. This is a nightmare, guys. I don't know if I'm ever going to want this, to have this, use this on a regular basis. I mean, just holding it is not convenient. So it's definitely made for other reasons. Come on, let's go. Even Toby doesn't know what to do. He's used to being on a leash and staying by me. He's like, what? Run off? What am I supposed to do? He still feels that there's something there. Still wants to stay within my proximity. Release, Toby, release. He won't take off. Okay, heel. Toby, heel. Come back, heel. Toby, heel. Heel. He sees people right now. Toby, come on. So look at how far away he is, you guys. Look at how far away he is. It's just crazy. It feels weird. I know this isn't what it's for, but I like to experiment. So why not? Toby, come. Come on. Okay, there you go. That's my box. This wasn't meant to be a review. It's just a box opening to show you what you get. The material is like a fake leather, almost like a vinyl. I don't know how strong it'll hold up, but it wasn't very expensive. And now I have the option if I want to do something with it. So you guys have a great day. Over and out. Okay, walk down to our cul-de-sac and back, and this is kind of how I have to do it. You have to hold extra line here, and he's doing fine on the line, but it's more of a hassle for me. I'm sure that there's suited purposes for having extra line. They had up to 50 feet. This is the 30 feet. It is nice when I want to let him go. It's almost like I started the walk off with this, and he was really excited about it. But just so you know what it is, a lot of you probably had similar questions like me. And just so you know, the material is not vinyl. It's a weaved material coated with vinyl. So there's actually strands of fiber in there. So it seems pretty strong. So I'll add this little portion to the main video, and hope that's helpful to you guys. Take care.